Bob Davis 321 with my first video of 2022. In this case we have an LED sign that just finished retrofitting. We've got Arduino TEST12345, and we'll send that up to it. There it is. So basically it's a retrofitted old LED sign. You really can't see much inside of there. Go into an Arduino Nano, although I prototyped with an Uno, and running it from my computer via the serial port, but you can also run it via Bluetooth to have it say whatever you want it to say, such as there, Arduino Uno. And it's now changed to that. So that's my demonstration, a retrofitted old LED sign, pretty big in size. It's about 3 feet long. The code is quite small. That's it. Doesn't take a lot of code. That's all for now.